When it comes to our device, one thing that can be a major productivity killer is a dead battery. We have all been there, stuck with a phone that just won't last a day, and it can be super frustrating. That is why today we are going to talk about how to extend your battery life to the maximum. One of the biggest challenges we face when it comes to battery life is our own behavior. The truth is that we are all guilty of overusing our device. Whether it's scrolling through the social media, binge watching our favorite shows, or constantly checking our emails. And let's be real, who has not forgotten to charge their phone overnight only to wake up to a dead battery? It is vicious cycle, but it does not have to be that way. We don't realize just how much our habit and setting can affect our battery life. From the screen brightness to notification setting, there are so many tiny tweaks that we can make to squeeze more juice out of our battery life. But again, it is about being mindful of our behavior and taking the time to make a few simple changes. Follow me through as I take you through this tutorial on how you can off the settings. First thing you need to do, go to your setting. Go to setting. Then look for Google. Yes, look for Google. Good. Just click on it. Good. Now click on all services. Okay. Just scroll down. Scroll down. Then click on device. Hope you can see it. Click on device. Yes. Click on device. Now, at this point, you see scan for nearby device. So this place, it help you to scan a nearby device. Normally, it will even work without your Bluetooth on it. So it just work with Bluetooth. But now your Bluetooth will not be on, but it's still scanning, it's still running, and this consume battery. So now, what do you need to do? Turn this off. You see it now? Good. So this is gone. Now let's go back now to the mail home page. Now let's show you another thing that you need to off that drains your battery very quick. Now let's go now to the setting, quick action. Go back to the setting home page. Then click on this search button. Yes, click on this search button. Now the other thing I need to do now, search for printing. Yes, just type printing. Yes, type on printing. See it. Good. Good. Printing. Now, this is printing. Now you can see. Click on this. You see? Now this printer is still on, working with your Bluetooth. Working with your Bluetooth. And your Bluetooth is off. As you can see, the Bluetooth is off, but it's still on, still searching for printer services. So all you need to do, switch it off. See it now, switch it off. Now just go back. Go back. Let's go back. Go back to the main setting home page. Yes. Now click on search again. Search for nearby. Nearby. Good. So now this is it. Nearby device scan. You can just click on it. Yes. Now you see, click on nearby device scan again. Good. You see, your phone will scan for device nearby and let you connect to them in a pop-up or in a notification panel. Your phone will scan for device even when Bluetooth is turned off. So you see it now. It's scanning even when the Bluetooth is turned off. So all you need to do, turn this off and it will reduce the drainage of your battery. So turn it off. You see it now? Good. That is it. Now let's go back. Remember, like I said, there are many other things that drain your battery. We are turning them off gradually. Now go back to the main setting home page. Alright, there we are now. Now go to the search key again. The search key. Good. This time, let's search for notification. Good. Notification. Now this is it. Notification. Just click on it. Now click on app notification. This, you see it? Yes, click on it. This one drains the battery more. Most time when you on your phone, you on your data connection, you might see some notification popping up, just like this one now. You see, this is a phone notification up here popping. Yes. So there are many all the apps here. If you give them the access to pop up notification, they will pop it out for you. So these are the app on my phone. So these have usually pop out just like that phone is browser, you just see notification up there. So at this point, off some notification or some app on my phone, because this notification, when you give them access, they will pop ever notification that available on that app. Like this phone is now, you are seeing it now. So the moment I off the phone is on, you will not see that notification up there again. So I'm going to show you how to do that on this training. So I'm just going to off some I don't need. Yes, not every app that you need a notification, but just like WhatsApp, you need a notification of WhatsApp, so you don't need to off it, because you always notify when message has dropped in for you to read. Your email, you don't need to off it. Yes, like this is Samsung. You see it now. I've off the phone is no more. You see it now. So that's just it. So whatever app you don't want notification, just off them. Like this Temu, some people usually off it, but for me, I just leave it on. Yes. So you just look for any app that is notifying you that you don't need them, just off them. They are not useful. Yes, they are not useful to you. So you can see. So whatever apps are on here, I need them. That's why I on them. So like the WhatsApp, I always leave it on because I need the notification on that. So that's just it. So when you check yours and you see that the one you don't need is still on, please do go to off it, and that will save the lifespan of your battery. Now search for battery. Search for battery. Then this is to show you your battery history. So some people usually make that mistake, only the percentage of their battery. You see now the percentage of the battery is off. That percentage of the battery also drain battery if you leave it on. So try to always off it and make sure you on the protecting battery. Protect your battery. The way the protect your battery work, when it's 85%, it will stop charging, and that will not make it overcharge if you are plugging it overnight. Then also try to use your power saving. Try to always use your power saving. Use it, activate it so that it will save your battery for you. Yes. The purpose of power saving, when your battery is going down to 10%, it will decrease the brightness. You see it? So it will help you to limit the usage, because most times people usually kill their battery by increasing the light screen of their phone. So avoid it. See it? So avoid it. Don't always increase the brightness of your screen. It drain your battery so fast. Like I also said before, avoid only the percentage of your battery. It drains battery very fast. Let's take it to the other setting that you need to off, which is the digital well-being and parental controls. Yes, it's very important to this digital well-being help you to monitor the activities happening on your phone. Yes, if you can check the usage of things you have been using on the phone, the apps you are using, give your weekly reports. Yes, how long you are using these various apps on your phone. Yes, so these also contribute to the drainage of your battery. So all you do, go to setting, that three dots. Now click on usage data access. If you can look very well, it's on. Now click on it. Click on settings. Good. Now click on digital well-being, switch it off. Good, that's just it. So with this, it reduce the drainage of your battery. Yes, because that settings contribute to the fast drainage of an Android phone battery. I have been using this for a week now. I have been able to go up to 30 6 hours without charging my phone by implementing this strategy